The defense attorney is cross-examining you during your trial. And now he asks the question, did you speak to your attorney before taking the witness stand? How do you answer that question? How do you answer that question, that accusing question? You want to know the answer? Come join me for a moment as I share with you exactly how to answer that question. Hi, I'm Gerry Oginski. I'm a New York medical malpractice and personal injury attorney. The answer is very simple. Of course I spoke to my attorney. You don't think I'd get up on the witness stand without having spoken to my attorney, do you? Now, there are many ways to say that. You can say it very kindly and very politely. You can say it in an antagonistic way. You can say it in an angry way. The better practice is simply, yes, of course I spoke to my attorney. Why wouldn't I? The whole goal of the defense attorney asking you that question in an accusatory tone, did you speak to your attorney before getting up on the witness stand? He wants to show to the jury, or at least imply, that if you did speak to your attorney before you took the witness stand, that somehow your attorney told you what to say. The reality is that anything that you say to your attorney at any time is confidential. That's known as a privileged communication. Anything that you say to your attorney and the attorney says to you is private. It's confidential. The defense attorney can jump up and down and scream all he wants. But the reality is that no matter what he does, he can never learn the details of what it was that you spoke to your attorney about. So he's trying to imply that because the two of you spoke, that somehow you're in collusion. And now the attorney is telling you what to say. Not at all. There is no harm. In fact, every single attorney speaks to their client before they get up on the witness stand. The witness has to be prepared. Not to tell them what to say, but explain the procedure to them. Explain what's going to happen. Explain that they've got to tell the truth and to pay attention to the questions. And if they don't understand the question, to simply tell the attorney, listen, I'm sorry, I didn't understand your question. Or if you cannot answer the question the way he phrased it, you've got to tell him, listen, I'm sorry, I can't answer the question the way you phrased it. Can you ask a different question? That's what happens when you talk to your attorney in anticipation, in preparation for going to trial. So now when the defense attorney turns around and says, did you speak to your attorney before taking the witness stand? What's the answer? Of course I did. So why do I share this great information with you? I share it with you because this comes up in almost every single trial. You get some defense attorney who wants to imply that something untoward, unusual is going on when the lawyer speaks to their client before getting on the witness stand. When the reality is every single client, every single witness speaks to the attorney before they get on the witness stand. So there's nothing unusual going on here. You know, I understand you're watching this video because you have questions or concerns about your own matter. Well, if your matter did happen here in New York and you're thinking about bringing a lawsuit, but haven't done so yet because you still have questions that need answers, what I invite you to do is pick up the phone and call me. I can answer your questions. You know, this is something I do every single day and I'd love to chat with you. You can reach me at 516-487-8207 or by email at Gerry, G-E-R-R-Y, at oginski-law.com. That's it for today's video. I'm Gerry Oginski. Have a fantastic day.